Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create YouTube shorts from existing videos. So on your YouTube, go to library and then go to your videos. Choose any videos that you uploaded already and then you will see these icons and you'll see remix. So just create a short. So here you can choose any part of your video like so by just gliding the video. So you may select a part of your video, then click next, and then here you can add text. Then you can actually also change the style. There are 3 different styles here. You can also add filter and then edit your timeline, the timeline of your video. So like for example here, the text will only appear in a portion of the video, and then click next, then just add like a description. And that's it. That's how you create YouTube shorts out of your existing videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.